Alright, let's talk about SEO, and more specifically the different attributes of SEO that you need to look for when you are looking for an SEO service. So I'm here on Search Engine Land, which is a very well-respected website in the search space, and they have a really great guide called the Guide to SEO, and it's very comprehensive, and I suggest that you go check it out. But there's a couple things I wanted to just breeze through here that I think are important. They have this really cool little image graphic here called the periodic table of SEO success factors, which is sort of a play on the periodic table of elements. And well, it's not sort of, it is a play off the periodic table of elements. But you'll see here, these are all the different factors that go into a solid SEO campaign. And where ClarityLinks really shines is over here in the off-page SEO section. And you can see here there's all these different little tidbits that all work together to make a good off-page SEO strategy. Link quality, authority, reputation, social signals, your anchor text, all that kind of stuff. So if I wanted to come down here, and it says SEO factors actually work in combination with each other, and that's sort of how we built ClarityLinks. We have certain steps that we do in each project, but they all build off one another, and they all help each other succeed. So it's not like a one-trick horse type scenario where you're just crossing your fingers that one thing will work. Your on-page factors, that's just your typical things like making sure you have your title tag optimized and your HTML is up to code and all that kind of thing. But the off-page ranking factors, this is where we really shine. Okay, so some of the major off-page SEO factors is your links, your trust, your social, and your personal, which is your country. And the great thing is we actually do all of these, even through the country. We ask where you would like to be found, like what search engine. So we even take care of that for you. And then they go into some SEO violations and ranking penalties and that kind of thing. But what I wanted to show you is this is just the first page of a multi-page, multi-chapter guide on SEO. And it might even, just this page might be a little bit overwhelming to think that you might have to stay on top of all this and always wonder if you're missing something or if you're doing too much of something. But that's why we basically created ClarityLinks, because it's a pain to deal with. It's the pain to always have to find out that you're 3 weeks late on an update and your whole website tanks. So this is just a real quick view on what we call the activity stream. And what that does here is you can see we have all these different types of tasks, and they're all done for specific reasons. And you can actually watch here and watch how things are happening, and you can monitor how we're doing. And if you just sit here for long enough, you'll see that we are indeed dealing with most of these things here that have to do with off-page. We don't really deal with on-page too much because that's a little bit more of an easier thing that you could probably handle elsewhere. But we do cover the SEO violations and penalties, the ranking factors, the backlinks, weighting of the search rank, like some things are more important than others, all that kind of stuff. We deal with that all day long, every day, and that way you don't have to. So if you decide to come on board to ClarityLinks, we're excited to have you, and we are excited to alleviate your SEO stress.